Videos can deliver powerful messages through moving images and sound. PowerPoint allows users to add videos from their own computer or from online sources. Videos can be played during the slideshow, paused, or replayed as needed. Steps to insert a video from your PC. Step 1. Click on the Insert tab. Step 2. In the Media group, click on Video. Step 3. Choose Video on my PC. Step 4. Browse to the folder, select your video file, and click Insert. Steps to insert a video from online. Step 1. Click on Insert Video, Online Video. Step 2. Paste the video URL, example YouTube. Step 3. A thumbnail.